Hey everyone, let's dive into something that surprises a lot of gardeners. Planting garlic in winter. You might think it's too late, that the soil is frozen or the days are too short. But I'm here to show you that it's possible, and it can even give you an advantage in the spring. I'll share exactly what I've learned from my own experience, step by step, so you can try it yourself and succeed. First, timing matters, but don't stress too much. Traditional advice says to plant garlic in the fall, a few weeks before the first frost. I've tried planting as late as November, and with the right preparation, the cloves still developed roots before winter fully set in. The key is to act before the soil completely freezes. If you're in a region where winter isn't extreme, you have more flexibility. Now, soil preparation is the foundation of success. Garlic requires well-draining soil. I mix potting soil with compost to create a loose, fertile medium. Avoid compacted or soggy soil. It kills cloves faster than cold. For winter planting, I top the soil with mulch, straw, shredded leaves, or even cardboard. Mulch insulates the cloves and stabilizes temperature swings. In my experience, cloves under mulch survive harsh cold far better than unprotected ones. Containers make winter planting manageable. I've used large pots, small raised beds, and even window boxes. The advantage is that you can control water, soil quality, and exposure. I plant cloves about 1 inch deep with a spacing of 4 to 6 inches to ensure each plant has room to grow. Bigger containers retain heat better and drain more evenly, which improves root development. Watering in winter requires balance. Garlic doesn't need a lot of moisture during cold months, but the soil must not dry out completely. I check containers weekly and keep soil slightly moist. Too much water promotes rot. Too little slows root growth. Consistency is more important than quantity. Light is crucial, even in winter. Garlic tolerates shorter days, but a few hours of direct or bright indirect light daily improves growth. I position containers near south-facing windows and sometimes use small LED grow lights. Rotating containers weekly ensures even growth. Here's a common mistake: planting cloves too shallow. In my first attempt, some shoots froze and never recovered. Planting about 1 inch deep with a protective mulch layer solved this completely. Always choose healthy, firm cloves. Small or damaged cloves rarely perform well. Companion planting adds benefits. Even in containers, garlic grows well with spinach, lettuce, or onions. Fast-growing greens help maintain soil activity and reduce weeds. I've observed that mixing crops in the same container keeps garlic healthier and improves overall productivity. Patience is critical. During winter, you won't see much above-ground growth, but roots are establishing themselves. I check containers occasionally, but avoid disturbing the cloves. Minimal handling protects the delicate roots. Light fertilization in late winter gives garlic a boost. I use small amounts of compost tea or balanced fertilizer. Over-fertilizing in cold months is counterproductive. Just a little helps plants develop strong roots before spring. By early spring, you'll notice green shoots appearing. Seeing the first shoots is rewarding. It confirms that winter planting worked. I've found that winter-planted garlic often produces an earlier harvest than spring-planted cloves because the roots were already established. Keeping a record helps. I note planting dates, mulch thickness, watering routines, and results. Tracking details allows me to refine methods each year. I recommend doing the same. It improves success rates significantly. Pests are minimal in winter. Most insects are dormant, though it's wise to occasionally inspect for disease or rodents. Cold months protect garlic more than they harm it. Choosing the right variety matters. I've used both softneck and hardneck garlic. Both can handle late planting, but hardneck tolerates temperature swings better. Softneck is ideal for indoor containers, but may require more stable conditions. Select a variety suited to your setup. Container positioning makes a difference. Grouping pots together retains warmth and creates microclimates. Using reflective surfaces increases light exposure. Vertical setups like shelves maximize space and light efficiency. These adjustments improve growth dramatically. Microgreens complement winter garlic well. While waiting for shoots, I grow arugula, radish, and lettuce in shallow trays. Microgreens are fast, require little space, and provide fresh greens in 1 to 3 weeks. Frequent harvesting encourages continued growth. Combining microgreens with garlic keeps containers productive and engaging. Mulching, again, is vital. Insulation isn't the only benefit. Mulch stabilizes moisture, prevents weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Indoors, it guards against drafts and sudden temperature changes. Straw or shredded leaves are effective. I've experimented with cardboard layers with good results. Observe plants carefully. Yellowing leaves, stunted growth, or unusual spots indicate adjustments are needed. Move containers closer to light, adjust watering, or add mulch. Winter gardening is about precise, small interventions. Experimentation is important. I've tried different pot sizes, soil mixes, light setups, and mulch materials. Some experiments failed, but I learned from each. These adjustments improved yields and plant health over time. When it's time to harvest, winter-planted garlic is ready when leaves turn brown and fall. Loosen soil carefully, lift bulbs, and let them cure in a dry, ventilated space. Proper curing ensures long storage life and robust flavor. Sharing your results motivates. Posting photos and discussing methods with others inspires new ideas and solutions. Even small details like planting depth or container type spark useful conversations. And finally, I want you to get involved. Share in the comments if you've tried winter garlic, what worked and what didn't. Ask questions, offer tips, and learn from others. Like this video and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming gardening advice and winter planting ideas. Winter garlic is achievable with the right preparation, and you'll enjoy a fresh, early harvest that makes the cold months worth it. Remember, planting garlic in winter isn't just possible, it can be rewarding. With proper soil, containers, mulch, light, and patience, you'll see results in early spring. Start small, track your progress, adjust as needed, and you'll be surprised how well your winter garlic grows. Take action today. Check your cloves, prep containers, and get ready to plant. Even late November can be the start of a successful garlic season. By combining personal experience with careful observation, you'll gain confidence and enjoy the satisfaction of winter gardening. Your turn. Try it, experiment, and report back. Winter garlic is not just a possibility, it's an opportunity. Keep your garden productive, keep learning, and keep sharing. If you found these tips helpful, don't just keep them to yourself. Try them out and see how your winter garlic grows. Share your experiences in the comments. Tell me what varieties you planted, how you prepared your containers, and any tricks that worked for you. Did the mulch keep your cloves safe? Did you experiment with microgreens alongside your garlic? Also, don't forget to like this video if it gave you useful ideas. Subscribe to the channel for more practical gardening advice, step-by-step guides, and seasonal planting strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss new videos that can make your gardening year smoother and more productive.